Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, I thought I would recreate our date night recipe. It's coming up to Valentine's Day. Love is in the air. I thought I would recreate a pasta dish that Lawrence and I have made on the channel actually before, a very long time ago. But it's a pasta dish that was like one of our very first meals together. We kind of like made it up and created it, and it's absolutely blooming delicious, and it's something we've been having ever since. I have shared it before online, I think. I feel like so many of you have not seen this recipe, and it's so easy. It's vegetarian, you can easily veganize it, you can easily add meat if you want to, something like chorizo, but it's a gorgeous, beautiful pasta dish. If you like oozy, creamy, indulgent, garlicky, flavorful pasta, you're going to want to watch this. It's also like an affordable date night idea. It's coming up to Valentine's Day. If you celebrate that, I feel like this is the year we need to celebrate stuff and really, you know, grab life by the horns and go, because the last couple of years has shown us that I can't take anything for granted. So tonight's dinner I'm going to be recreating our date night pasta, and I've also got some Valentine's gifts that I want to talk you through, just like some gift ideas if you want to get your other half or your friend or your parent or someone a gift for Valentine's, just show them that you love them. I've got some really amazing gift ideas. Yeah, enjoy today's recipe and the Valentine's gift ideas. Let me know if you make this for Valentine's. Let me know if you celebrate Valentine's, and if you do, what you do. Do you go like crazy, spend all this money, or do you keep it like really low key like Lawrence and I, or do you just like not celebrate? Let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying my content, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so first things first, I'll talk you through the ingredients you need. As I said, it's really easy to veganize this, and if you don't want it as vegetarian, you can add meat, but you really don't need to. It's absolutely delicious as it is. So you need some pasta, specially selected pasta. Really, in my opinion, is worth spending the extra little bit of money you pay. It really makes a difference to your dishes, and it does taste better. When Lawrence and I have pasta, it's normally like a very indulgent dinner. Don't have it too often, but we really like to make a really delicious pasta dinner, and we like to use good pasta for that. I do have average like fusilli pasta in the cupboard, which we use for like everyday use if we need it. But this, yeah, I really recommend the Aldi specially selected pastas. Also Lidl's like upper market, or I don't know what you call it, but Lidl's special pastas are absolutely like spot on. So if Lidl is near you, go to Lidl. So we're using this pasta, which is, I'm not even going to try and pronounce that, to be honest. Then you're going to need some herbs, so smoked paprika, chipotle chili flakes, or just normal chili flakes. That is optional. If you don't like spice, you don't need to add it. Some garlic or garlic powder, whatever you have. And some Italian style herbs. One large white onion or brown onion. Some basil, a whole pot of mascarpone. You'll be using this whole thing. You need one of these. These are fantastic. Lidl actually do one as well, which is like twice as big, but Aldi is closer. So these are sun-dried tomatoes, antipasti in the jar with the oil. It's absolutely delicious. You can't beat these sun-dried tomatoes. They're so good. Some seasonings, so some salt and pepper, a little bit of tomato puree, and parmesan or parmesan cheese. Yeah, very minimal ingredients. As I said, you can swap this out for vegan cream soft spread cheese thing, and add some like the cheese flakes or yeast flakes, whatever they are. Yeah, easy to veganize, and if you want, this dish goes really well with like chorizo, particularly maybe some bacon. That's if you eat that, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make it as it is. You need a saucepan and like a wok style frying pan, one with high ends, because you're gonna make the sauce in here and then pour the pasta in here. So first things first, I'm going to get chopping the onion, and then we're going to fry the onion. All in all, this dinner's like can take around 20 to 30 minutes, so it's also a really quick, easy dinner to make. But yeah, let's get frying the onion. So I'm browning the onions. softening them. When you buy the sun-dried tomatoes, it comes in oil. The oil is brilliant with this dish because you can just cook with that oil, and it really flavours everything just so wonderfully. While the onion browns, I'll talk you through my Valentine's gift ideas. So Prezzybox sent me some Valentine's gifts. If you've never heard of Prezzybox, they're fantastic. They're especially great if you need to find a gift for someone you love. But Prezzybox has everything you could think of gift-wise. It's just such a fantastic website. But it has like really unique gifts, really fun finds. Lots of like small businesses are on there as well. They do next day delivery, which is great when you need to find a gift for someone and you forgot it was their birthday. But anyway, so Prezzybox sent me some of their Valentine's range, and I'm just so excited about this because it's like made me really excited to share these as a married. It's my first Valentine's as a wife and my first Valentine's as a mummy. That's exciting. So I'll show you some of these gifts, and obviously I'm going to link everything down below from Prezzybox. So here we have some gifts. First things first, this absolutely gorgeous vest. Personalised baby vest, and it says orange stole mummy and daddy's heart. Obviously, we've just had a baby. I feel like something like this at Valentine's is necessary. It's nice to like incorporate him into Valentine's Day somehow. But it's actually a really good quality vest, so I actually really recommend this. Obviously I've linked it down below, and it's 6 to 12 months, so it's going to last a while, and it's not just going to be for Valentine's Day, it's going to be for as long as it fits him. But it's really cute. I'm going to get a really lovely picture of him with this. I really like that, and obviously I can always keep it because it's got his name on. It'd be such great memories, so that's absolutely gorgeous. Celebrate Valentine's. It's nice to get your baby involved. Twirl is Lawrence's favourite Cadbury's chocolate, and to be honest, it's actually become my favourite Cadbury chocolate bar, so I kind of like went for Twirl because I know he's going to want to share with me. Valentine's chocolates, I think this is just like a perfect gift. Most people are going to love that. So Twirl, happy Valentine's Day Daddy, all my love from Sophie and Oren. So from me and Oren, because it's nice to, like, I used to send Valentine's cards to my dad because Valentine's is about showing the people you love. You don't have to be like in a relationship. But yeah, so I thought it'd be really nice. There's 25, I think 25 bars or 23 bars in here. It's actually really heavy, hence I keep dropping it. It's just an all-round good gift. Fantastic like Christmas birthday gift as well. I just love personalised things. And then this, we've got this. I'm actually going to get this out over dinner, so keep watching till the end when we're having dinner, and we're going to get this out. But it's a poster of 100 dates scratch off bucket list. Lawrence and I made a promise to ourselves that this year we're going to just do a lot more. It's been really difficult the past couple of years for absolutely everybody, and having a baby the last 7 months has been like, it's hard to just go out and do stuff. But as I was saying, now we're like in more of a routine. We're just like going to force ourselves to just do things, like get out and about, you know. This is a scratch off bucket list. I'm really excited to see what's on this. I hope it's not stuff like bungee jumping with your partner, because I won't be doing that, but yeah. So we'll see. Oh, does it tell you? Get a couples massage. Okay. Go to the cinema. Play at an arcade. That's actually really sweet because we would love to do that. Cook a meal from scratch. Go paintballing. Go for afternoon tea. Take a dance class, visit an aquarium. They just seem like normal but fun dates, things that you forget to do with your partner. And then this, my absolute favourite thing. Oh my goodness. So Lawrence loves Lego, as do I, to be honest. I really like Lego. And I've seen these for a while where you can personalise your little Lego figure. 3D frame with personalised you in them, which is amazing. So we got personalised Lawrence, personalised me on our wedding day. And it has the wedding date below, 8th of May 2021, a very good day. And it's absolutely great because like they kind of personalised my wedding dress to be similar to the wedding dress I wore. I was 37 weeks pregnant when we got married, like 36, 37 weeks. Our wedding kept being put off due to COVID, but it ended up happening at the perfect time. Just like, it was such a perfect day. It was so intimate and personal and just such a great day. Like we had pizza for our wedding buffet. It was just great. As someone who has been married and done it in like the us way, do it the you way. And yeah, it's so nice to remember it via this. So those are some brilliant Valentine's gift ideas. They also do great things that you can order, like pizza making kits, so you can have like a date night. I have linked everything I've mentioned here today down below for you. But yeah, I'm really excited. I love this stuff. During dinner, we're gonna crack this out. Anyway, I can smell the onions are definitely ready. Okay, so onions are definitely very soft now. So what I'm going to do is chop up some of these sun-dried tomatoes and add that into the mix, and also add like my herbs and spices as well.
Coming out.
Look, they're coming out. Look at the cards. Not a... Look.
Oh.
You worked it out. We just popped out, well, Oren and I just popped out for a walk because actually it was really springy outside. Very nice. Look, Lawrence, you look like a little borrower sitting on my shoulder. Stealing my sugar cubes.
Mentally just drained.
Lawrence has been very busy with work, which is only a good thing really, because we're lucky to be busy with work, aren't we?
That's true.
So,
That's true.
But anyway, it's nearing the end of the day. It's like a gorgeous sunny weather out there, and I always do this. I get really excited for spring far too early in the year, but it did feel springy outside, like it kind of smelled nice, like spring. Anyway, moving on. I just left the sauce how it was, so all the herbs, the onions, and the tomatoes, and now essentially it's about cooking the pasta, getting the mascarpone in there and the basil. glass of a whole cup of gin for him.
Yeah.
Helps him sleep. Right. Let's try our date night pasta. Pasta. It's a good one, isn't it?
Yeah,
do you think?
Oh yeah.
Honestly, it's so simple yet absolutely delicious. For me, the basil makes it. It has to be sun-dried tomatoes there.
100%.
It's non-negotiable.
As well, like it's one of those things that there's so few ingredients.
Do it well.
Do it well. Get like the nice pasta.
So one of our Valentine's gifts
Okay.
to each other is this 100 dates bucket list poster thing.
Okay.
Because like I was saying earlier, it's so hard to make time for ourselves as a couple. We get lots of time as a family. And we get time in the evening when he goes down to bed. But we don't do many dates at the moment.
No.
But loads of these dates, from the sounds of it, we can easily incorporate with the baby.
Okay.
But still feel like we're having enough time.
Ooh, what's this? So you scratch them off when you do them?
When you do them. So like, go rock climbing.
Oh yeah.
Lawrence is afraid of heights. Attend a painting class. Play bingo. Feed the ducks in the park.
Oh yeah.
Cute. That's a cute date. Explore a farmer's market. We love doing stuff like
Go
that.
to a water park.
Go to a water park. We have to
Yeah.
go back to Centre Birds. Visit a rooftop bar. Visit a farm. That's a good one because actually there's a lady I speak to on Instagram who runs that farm.
I mean, nearby.
Well, nearish. Take a walk on the beach. Go gin tasting.
Yay.
Like they're all like just normal nice
Yeah.
days.
Visit a theme park.
Oh, good one. Go to a theatre, watch the sunset.
It's a really nice idea.
And it forces us to do it.
Yeah.
Because like visiting a farm is so normal and it's something we would just do. But now it's on there, we would turn it into more of a date. Anyway, the pasta, very good, isn't it?
10 out of 10.
Yeah? 10 out of 10.
Always tastes better when someone else makes it.
Anyway, we're going to enjoy the rest of our dinner, date night pasta. Let us know in the comments if you do make it, because it's delicious and definitely worth it. And yeah, we'll see you guys again really, really soon. And yeah, love so much. Bye.
Bye.
I thought you was going to blow a kiss again.
Oh,
Valentine's
the urge was
kiss.
there.